New details are now emerging in the murders of those 4 University of Idaho students.
New search warrants are revealing the digital evidence investigators are looking for as they shore up their case against suspect Brian Kohberger. NBC's Gotti Schwartz has more.
New search warrants revealing dozens of major companies are being forced to turn over information in connection with the murder case against Brian Kohberger.
All right.
Among those served, tech names like Apple, Amazon, Google, and DoorDash, social media companies Meta, Snapchat, and Tinder, and retailers Walmart and K-Bar Knives, the brand of knife sheath found at the crime scene with a single source of male DNA linked to Kohberger. But not all the warrants are focused on the suspect. Some are requesting bank and social media information about the victims.
They're trying to find out if there is a hidden link that could explain a motive.
They will never be forgotten.
The 4 college students were found stabbed to death in an off-campus home last November. Authorities still haven't publicly released a motive, but alleged cell phone data shows Kohberger stalked their house at least a dozen times before the killings and even went back to the crime scene hours after the murders. Experts say data from these warrants may help investigators piece together an even stronger digital footprint.
They are going all in, if you will, gathering every single conceivable piece of evidence so that if any doubt is raised, they will be ready.
Meanwhile, we're also learning new details about what officials say Kohberger was doing the moment he was arrested at his parents' house across the country in Pennsylvania.
Brian, what you doing?
The 28-year-old wearing gloves while separating his trash.
Mr. Kohberger was found awake in the kitchen area, dressed in shorts and a shirt and wearing latex medical type gloves, and apparently was taking his personal trash and putting it into separate Ziploc baggies.
The Monroe County 1st District Attorney calling that behavior significant for the investigation.
To me, that's incredibly damning. It shows a consciousness of guilt, that he was making sure that his DNA did not end up in the trash.
Other newly unsealed search warrants show what police did seize in Pennsylvania, including a gun and knife, black face masks and gloves, a cell phone, multiple laptops, and a book with underlining on page 118. Investigators also say they found a shovel in Kohberger's Hyundai Elantra and seized parts from the car itself, from the headrests and the seatbelt to brake and gas pedals.
Gotti Schwartz reporting there. Brian Kohberger is set to appear in court again in June.